Hey guys, it's me Letitia. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this very classic, simple, neutral makeup look. I feel like with so many dramatic looks out there, not everybody's all for that, and I'm one of those people. It literally took 2 eyeshadows to create some highlighter and a neutral lipstick and just some nice wispy lashes to set the look off. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and turn on the notifications. Make sure that you hit that bell and choose all notifications, because if you don't, you'll just get some every once in a while. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then keep watching. First thing I'm gonna do, I actually went on ahead and did my brows and put on some primer off camera. So now I'm going to apply my foundation, and I'm using the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade 340 Cappuccino, and I'm just going to dot that all over my face and blend it out. And I'm just going over the spots that still peek through after that first layer of foundation, because I don't like to put a whole lot on the first time around. So today I really want a nice bright under eye, so I'm going to use my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Tan 50, and I'm going to put that along the center of my face as well as underneath my eyes. Oh, I forgot to mention I'm blending this out with a number 4 BH Cosmetics brush. This is their Black and Rose Gold set. So now I'm going to set my concealer with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Medium. And I'm just going to take the number 2 brush. This is a powder brush from the same BH Cosmetics brush set. And I'm just going to sweep that along my concealer. I also really like this powder because it does help with the brightness under my eyes. I feel like it's better to use just to sweep along the eyes versus baking with it, because it can stick. So I just like to lightly sweep it along instead. Set the remainder of my face. So now I'm going to bronze up my face using my favorite bronzer ever. This is the CoverGirl Queen Bronzer in the shade Ebony. And I'm going to take the number 1 brush. This is a tapered powder brush. And I'm going to use this to apply my bronzer. So moving on to the eyes, I'm just going to use a couple of shades out of my Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, and using the brush that it came with, I'm going to use the fluffy end of the brush. And for my transition color, I think I'm going to use Raw Sienna, which is a really light brown shade, and put this in my crease just because I have to have some kind of transition color for my eye. Then I'm going to take a neutral shade. I think I'm going to mix these two. This is Bon Fresco, and this shade is called Warm Taupe. I think I'm going to take the two of these together and just put it all across my lid. And I'm also going to take it up the crease as well. So now I'm going to go ahead and prepare my lashes for falsies. I'm going to take my Maybelline Great Lash Mascara in the shade Very Black. And I'm just going to put a couple of coats onto my top lashes. So now I'm going to apply one of my favorite sets of lashes at the moment. This is the Kiss Corset Lashes. And I think they're really, really pretty. But I'm going to go ahead and put those on. I also want to apologize for the lighting. It's like every time I try to set the camera off to the opposite side, the sun gets really bright and it just throws off everything. So if you see the camera shifting, it's because I'm still trying to avoid like too much light. But yeah, so now that my lashes are on and they're still drying, I'm gonna go ahead and take that same mascara and put that on my bottom lashes as well. So now I'm going to apply highlighter, of course, and I'm using the ColourPop and Shayla collaboration. This is her loose powder highlighter in Boomin'. It's a really beautiful gold shade, but beware, this stuff is very pigmented, so like the smallest amount goes a long way. And I'm actually going to take the same brush from that I use for my concealer, and I'm using whatever is in the top to apply this to the high points of my face. Now we're going to move on to the lips, and of course I'm taking my favorite lip liner ever. This is the NYX Earth Tone Lip Liner. It's a warm reddish brown. I'm going to use this to outline my lips. And typically when I do a neutral look, I like to apply a matte lipstick. So I'm going in with the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the color Verona. It's a pretty neutral pink. I swear, I'm the only one that gets super dry lips like right before I put on my lipstick. My lips are completely moisturized all day until I get ready to put on some lipstick. So now that all that's done, I'm going to actually use my Garnier Soothing Facial Mist as a setting spray. So this is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. It's very simple, very neutral. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more videos from me, please give my videos a thumbs up as well. All the information on the products that I use will be down in the description box below, as well as my information, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.